Good evening. Oh no, Joji's found it. Hi guys. Oh, there was a bug. I guess a little beetle. A dead beetle in my light box. Oh, that unsettled me. Okay, the Gucci sold. I'm leaving them right here. Oh, that was a preview. You're not supposed to see that yet. Okay, this video is kind of a combination. First. These aren't for sale. They may be someday, just not at the moment, because they're fresh off the presses. I just got all these rings today, and they're all small, so don't get ring envy. Don't get ring envy. Yeah, they're all like 5 to 6 size. They're all Native American. Well, hold on. They're not all Native American. They're mostly all Native American. And signed. Signed as such with all the different artist names. Chochi, what are you doing besides freaking me out? It's one of my favorites. I'm showing you all the Native Americans. What are you doing? Sorry, oh my God. Okay, there they are in all their glory. Now this one is Paul Livingston. If you want to look this one up, Lapis, of course. Look how big it is. This one sells for $600. I'm gonna keep it for a while, and I'm gonna put it on eBay for probably $400. Oh, it's fantastic. It's small. To lie. And this one, Swind. Signed right there, which the name is hard to read. It's a lovely little thing, isn't she pretty? Starburst cross and the sleeping booty. Yes, the sleeping booty. It's more sleeping booty. Squash ring. Jimmy Lee. Fantastic. Let's let me just skip over you. You're fantastic too. Look at that piece of turquoise. Stuff fucking honker. So Artie, where are you, Artie? Lovely. I just showed you that one. No, and then the two buffalo. It's just buffalo. It's not buffalo turquoise. B. Johnson. I love that work. It's so good. This is definitely Navajo. Oh, cool. And then, last but certainly not least, this one. Very cool. Right? Yes. Yes. And then this is a bracelet that came today. I mean, that came in the lot. You guys saw it. I think it's fantastic. I mean, it's no Barbara Bixby, but it's fucking fantastic, isn't it? It's a tiny bit big on me, so it may be for sale. Because, yeah, like, let it loose, it goes down there. So it's probably 7.5. Oh, forgot, I'm still on the rings. This is a Velituti, Michael Velituti. Also turquoise. Isn't she lovely? Oh, isn't she wonderful? Forgot I had my mic on. Listen, my mic's on. Right? I think that's Spiny Oyster and turquoise. And these obviously are just turquoise. Lovely. Oh, lovely. I love this little sucker. This is sterling. It's fantastic. Love. I wish I had 40 fingers. Right. Come on, me. And then this one. Oh. You tell me. Jasper Agate? What is she? Jasper Agate? I think Jasper. You'll probably say agate. How dare you for saying it. Also small, like a phi. Cool though. This one might be for sale because I don't have enough fingers. But yeah, I didn't realize that this one. Can you see the scale? Well, this one is massive too. You know how you usually get something and it's like, oh, that's a lot smaller than I thought. Oh my God, this one is a handful and a half. handful and a half. Okay, we showed the beauties over there. Just some of the little things I was just pulling out of the... Oh, somebody was interested in this, so I just thought I would show you up close and personal. Moo. Oh, little teats. Oh, little teats. Aw, she cute. Somebody asked about this. No, this is enamel. I'm sorry. Thought the picture was clear. Just enamel, vintage 60s. Shroom brooch. Really a pin, technically. And actually, this is sterling silver. You saw it today, but I tested it. She's lovely, right? The lovebirds. Sometimes if I have time, like right now, which I don't really, but just say I do, I'm doing this. This is also from the lot today, Native American. And I think that's that. Oh my god, I'm having a little, what did I eat? Shrimp again? Yeah, and that's, I don't know if that's, I mean, I guess somebody could solder it. You can't put too much heat on inlay, or it'll fuck it up. Trust and believe I know that from personal experience. This is not silver, but it foo-foo-fa-fa. Who cares? Look at that. Freaking think this thing is so fantastical. Oh, it's fantastic, right? Dana, what's this broad doing? What's happening? Is she drinking? It's a whole thing. It's beautiful. And I love this little guy, Paula. No. He's a mad owl. He's a pissed off owl. He's got no footies. Oh, my chochi's after a boog. A boog and a roog. I'm going to try not to make this too long. And this one, I don't know if you saw this one. Because I went through a lot of it. You know, I couldn't go through the Salvation Army real person lot. Real person? In-person lot. Lots. This one's super cool. Glass beads. I don't think they're Peking glass. But I don't know for sure. So it's cool. It's a cool thing. Yes, please. And, oh, this little fella. Why is how cute is he? He's coming. He's a little gingerbread man. How cute is that? Well, he's adorbs. Yeah, I just brought in all kind of the small stuff, so because it's harder to see. This is a fantastic Avon brooch. Lovely. Quite lovely. Don't you sleep on Avon, people. Don't do it. I will have to come for you. And it's Thursday night. I'm going to put this up probably Friday. This little Delft, I think, windmill. Just, you know, it's cute. Okay, Paula. Polly wanna cracker. I found this one. Janda Panda. Janet. I found the bigger one, then I found these. I thought of you. Aren't they cute? No, so cute. And then I've got to get Sandra's address because I'm mailing her this. What is happening? Are you watching, Sandra? Do you want me to mail you that? Come on, you're a pickle dancer. You funky pickle. You can't not send that to her. Come on, eh? All right, we're getting down to the ground of it all. This bracelet that I also just think is cool. It's not marked or labeled as you were. As you were. You know what I'm saying? As it were. Thank you. Thank you for that. It's just cool. All right. I think it's probably too big for me. That's my guess. 'Tis my guess. And this one I showed you, and I think it's cool. It's got like a name on it, but it's not old. But it's lovely. Right? Just a pretty kitty hangy watch. I'm trying to see if that's just pinched metal. No, I think I see it's market. I think there's actually marcasites in there. You see them? Yep, you see them. That's no pinched metal. I didn't mean those. I just meant throughout. You can see them sort of sparsely. Not sparsely. Sparsely. And I love this brooch. I might just have to keep her. Just want to see her close up. The beauty of her. Isn't she lovely? She's so pretty. She's a pretty kitty. She's sexy and she knows it, and that's not the melody for you and me. Fantastic. This is fantastic too. Not because it's sterling, it's just lovely. Cool. Cool beans. Delft. I think those are called Delft. Delft. Oh, Jay. The pissed off owl. I think he's a ground owl. Is that right, Paula? Is it right, Paula? Want to click? Oh, yes, should do. Oh, this is from yesterday, isn't it? Love this one. This one's going to have to be for sale because it's too big for me. That's a crying shame. And I'll show you this one off my thingy. I love a thing like this. It's just fantastical. Right? My bloody well right. Okay, I was saying that I was going to upload this video. I mean, I'm going to upload it tonight, but I'll put it up tomorrow, Friday, because my honey hole may or may not come in, which would mean I do a room video. Another room video. Are you sick of me yet? Well, I wasn't. Oh my God, her again. I wasn't planning on. That's a pickle dancer. What the frig is a pickle dancer? I wasn't planning on Marcello today, being my angel, my jewelry angel. I must find him a watch in all my travels. This came in too, I think. I love this one. It's a little big, so it might go up for sale. I paid up for it though, so yeah. Shotted. Anyways, yeah. Can you not? Look at this hunker. Look at on my finger again. 600, I guess, maybe. I mean, obviously he's well known in the community of his people, and other people. But maybe because it's so massive. I was going to say he probably uses, spectacularly good lapis. With everything, it's a thing. Not everything's created equal. Just because you have lapis doesn't mean it's valuable. In this case, it does. Look him up. Google him. Google him. Paul Livingston. Lapis ring. That'll come up. For $600. Just, and I'm not talking about what's on eBay. I don't even know if they have that on eBay. This pretty kitty. Love her. Doesn't she look like, like Starry, Starry Night? Like those stars are coming to life. Starry, Starry Night. And this is just like, again, like with the lapis. It's like, oh, I'm a baller. It's what I am. Oh, I think that fits on my bigger finger. My bigger finger. I like the work on the outside. I sure do. Oh, shit is. Yeah, no, that's a size 6, I think. And I always love squash. That's what they call these rings. Technically, this is so not a squash, because the squash is a little squash part. But that's okay. I think that's what they're kind of called. This guy's known too. These sell for like 125, I want to say. Jimmy Lee. Yummy Lee. Oh, Yummy Lee. And Michael Volatudi. He's pretty. Right? Yeah, that's 18 karat plate on there, and then sterling. I like the little bit of spiny oyster and turquoise. Love this one too. Usually, a lot of times you don't find these in sterling. You'll find them in base metal. Slapping the base man. I'm slapping the base man. You guys seen that movie? Slapping the base man. I'm slapping the base man. You have to see it. Otherwise, I just sound like a freaking idiot. And I like. It's good. This is expensive because buffalo is expensive for some reason. But do I like turquoise better? Yeah, I do. This ring is quite fabulous. Tantastical. Tantastical? Hold on. And then I have, about 20 rings coming, but not until probably the end of next week. She hasn't even shipped them yet, but I'm so excited. Oh, I can't. I'm telling you, I'm dying. 20 or 22. At least 20. Rings coming onto me, coming to my house for visit pleasure. They might go, I don't know. Well, I can't keep them all, so I do know that. But yeah, excited. Okay, all right. Well, I think I think we've such a monster. Oh my god, not made it for being big monster. All right, I kind of got crampy stomach now. I might gotta go potty. I'm definitely sure that's TMI. No, I don't think so. I mean, it's probably TMI, but I don't really have to go. Excuse me, I burped. I was just saying that for shits and giggles, no pun intended. Okay, yeah. Well, it's been a fun visit. Love. I wish somebody would have claimed it because there's no makers and no markers. No makers and no markers, and it's made beautifully. So, yeah. Oh, well, yeah, never mind. I forgot to bring something in, but that's okay. Oh, this thing, the dead bug was like right there. Okay, these need to ship out. I gave them to her for $95 because she seemed like she was, oh shit, Kelly. Guess where that's going? In the pile. Well, it's not really a pile yet, am I right? Kelly, Laura. Laura Kelly. What are you doing, lady? Oh, Sally, how are you doing? Damn, girl. Get better. You're gonna get better. This I know because I've been through it. You know what I'm saying? So I can say with confidence, you'll be fine, lady. I miss your videos. Make a video, could you? Isn't that so selfish? Oh, well, I never claimed. If I am anything, I am self-absorbed. Self-absorbed. Can you not tell? All right. Okay, that's so fugly to look at. Gucci. Yeah. I don't like Gucci. I don't. I used to like some Gucci in the 80s. I like their monogram shit. It was so ugly, I thought it was kind of cool. Yeah, that's how I felt about it, not gonna lie. Now, Louis Vuitton, yes, another story. But Gucci, not so much. Not so much. I'm sure they have things I'd like to covet. I just don't know what they are right now. And unless Gucci made this bracelet, they can go to the blow. Go blow. Yep, never comes off. And I had my skull rings on today, but then when these came in, I'm like, I gotta wear them all. Gotta wear them all right now. Skulls coming off. But I'll just add bracelets to this. And it's funny, I don't like to wear bracelets on my left hand. It's just a weird thing. I wear watches on my left hand. All right, I'm gonna go. I'll tell you my email, because I'm not gonna put it in the video. mybag05@yahoo.com. If you want to email me for a good time. It wouldn't be a good time. Trust and believe. You guys, I love you. I really do. You guys are mad cool people. Seriously. And especially like if you're my age or older and I don't like make your skin crawl or like just like, oh God, what is she saying? What is she doing? What is wrong with her? She's got a potty mouth. Anyways, then it's just consider yourself badasses. Not kidding you. I'll see you soon. Take good care of yourself and your loved ones.